What's up, XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Stellar XLM. My friends, a lot of people ask me questions about Stellar XLM. That can Stellar XLM will make you rich in June or not? Especially the short-term investor ask me this question that XLM will make us richer in June or not? So finally, my friends, if we look the latest update of Chainlink, so that's clear for everyone. There is no doubt that Chainlink will make millionaires in 2021. But you can see here, if we look the latest update of Chainlink, so that's clear for everyone that now at this time the Chainlink starts moving upward. In the start of June, the price of Chainlink is going XLM are going upward, my friends. Anyways, please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now let's see the latest update of XLM. Price at this time, live latest price of XLM is 0.39098 USD dollar. That is the latest price of XLM. On the other side, if you look the price change, look on the XLM. So the last 1 hour pricing is positive 1.07%. Last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is negative, my friends. Let's see the price chart. What's going on this time in XLM? Oh my goodness, absolutely, my friends, the price is going very fastly moving up in the market. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change over in the XLM, my friends. Oh my god. So what you think about XLM? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. And my prediction about XLM, people ask me my prediction. So my friends, my prediction about XLM is 100% positive, and I believe that on the 6th June, there is a lot of chances to take a huge pump. The first week and the end of this week, there is a lot of chances to take a jump. Anyways, I recommend for everyone, it's time to hold, let you sell. If you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, nothing you will get. Remember that. So that is why I recommend for everyone, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XLM? Tell me in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe now.